Odili, you have to leave my house. You have overstayed your usefulness. Please leave.
Gina, what did you just say?
You heard me. I said you have to leave my house. Was I carrying water in my mouth?
What did you just say? I should leave your house. I should leave your house. Listen, you people have to bring the whole army in this city to chase me out of this house. Leave where? After you people have duped me, I should leave your house. Come and get me away now.
Are you saying we should bring army to bring you out of
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Odili, I don't know you from anywhere. Was I the one that brought you here? It was Chelsea that brought you, and I don't know where you came from, and she has gone back to Lome. So you have to leave. Please, come and pack your things and leave my house.
Wait, hold on. She has come back to me.
Odili, you heard me. Was I carrying water in my mouth when I said it? Chelsea has gone back to Lome. So you have to leave. Leave my house.
Chelsea has gone back to Lome. I mean, like she has left this country.
Yeah.
She has left this country.
She has gone back to Lome. So go. Leave my house.
Hey!
You have to leave now. Leave. Because I'm going out.
Hey!
You're shouting, hey. Odili, leave my house. Let me not come back here and meet you.
Hey! Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Okay. Alright. So, okay.
Please,
you signaled your friend to insult me.
Why will I signal my friend to come and insult me?
Is that what happened?
No,
Isn't that what happened?
No, we just met her there.
You just met her there?
Yes.
Then she was insulting me and you didn't say anything. You let her insult me.
I mean, I was telling her to go, that you were not beating me.
No, you told your army tanker friend to insult me.
I did not tell her to insult you, baby. Why will I tell her to insult you?
Which baby? Which baby?
I don't always like us doing this, please. I don't always like us fighting, baby.
You don't like it?
Baby, please.
No, me, I like it. I like us fighting.
I don't like us fighting.
No. It gives me the kick. It gives me joy. Because that's what you like it. In short, stand up. They will say I made you kneel down now. Stand up first. Stand up first. Stand up. Now, walk into this slab.
Oh God.
I said walk into this slab. Before the count of 3. 3, 2, 2. Whose hand are you holding? Who told you to romance me? Reverse. Leave my hand. Reverse. Bring your hand down. Now with better speed, walk into the slab. I'm not satisfied. Reverse first. Reverse. We better walk into the slab. I said walk into the slab. Walk into the slab. Now.
But what's all this now? Why are you maltreating her? What's the meaning of all this? Are you not tired of treating her this bad?
Wait. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Wait, are you trying to talk into somebody I'm managing? Somebody I'm managing? If we're in the city, we should be able to afford a handsome man like me.
Oh, baby, you know I love you. I'm very loyal to you.
You're loyal to who? You're loyal to who?
Sister, please leave that gum. Every time walk into this slap.
You say? You two walk into the slab.
Oh, brother, I'm just coming back from the market now.
Walk into the slab now.
Brother, this one is too hot.
Before the count of 3. 3. I'm not satisfied. Go back. With better speed, walk into the slab. Not satisfied.
No, brother, just give me now.
That's what I intend doing before Christmas. Now, walk into the slab. Now, 2 of you, 2 of you must learn to respect me. You understand? Because I am the man of this house. Because I'm the one surviving 2 of you. So you will never, ever do anything to insult me. You understand me? If I talk, you obey. You understand me? Now, kneel down.
Baby.
Kneel down.
Including me.
Baby. Kneel down.
I'm just coming back from the market though.
Now, raise up your hands. I said raise up your hands. Keep those hands up. Oh. I'm coming. Let those hands be up, oh. Idiots. Because I'm here in this village with you people. think me and you are at the same level? You think we are at the same level?
Sister, stand up, sir. Stand up. Stand up. You know your brother now. Is it a crime to love your brother?
But sister, this is not love. This is madness. This is obsession. When are you going to learn how to love? Is this how to love?
Just leave me like this.
Sister, let's go to the backyard.
You know your brother now. You know how he is.
Stay here. You want to stay here?
Is somebody there? Did I hear noise? Did I hear anything? Huh? Huh? Okay. Keep those hands up, oh. Keep those hands up until I'm satisfied.
Oh my God. Yes,
Wow. Thank you very much.
For what?
Oh, thank you for opening my eyes to see the other side.
No, I should be the one saying thank you because I had fun.
Oh, the same. Oh, the same. If you don't mind, can I get a hug?
If that makes you feel better.
Thank you.
Okay, I should go. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, now you've won this challenge. So now the next. What happened? Are you okay? What happened? Echo! Jerry, hold on. Okay, calm down. Just easy. Echo!
So, Mr. Jerry, how are you today?
Yeah, doctor, I think I feel better.
So, madam, can you excuse us for a while? Mr. Jerry, it's good to know that you are better. Then we need to carry out the transplant as fast as possible. Since we are unable to find a genetic suitable donor. So, I will consult the National Donor Program, so that, which fortunately we are a member, so I can use the advanced data bank. Okay?
Doctor, that can wait for a while. How much time do I still have left?
Mr. Jerry, unless the transplant is done immediately, you don't have more time.
So about the drugs. Can I still get the drugs?
Yeah.
Because I know very well I'm still strong.
I know the drugs you'll be taking them, but then, professionally, we need to do the transplant for your own good.
Brother, I warned you. I warned you. See what you have done to yourself.
If I had known.
But brother, I warned you. Countless times I came to you and I told you about the implication of all these things that you were doing. Because of you, Akwawa is missing. All because of you. Hi.
If I had known.
Brother, this is wrong. You're my brother, and I will not hide the truth from you. The way you're treating her is so wrong. She's a woman. A woman needs to be pampered. Just show her a little care. What you're doing to her is not fair.
Why don't you tell her to leave me alone? No, seriously, why don't you tell her to leave me alone? Let her leave me alone now. I don't have love for her. Let her leave me alone.
But all she's asking, just a tiny, tiny piece of love, attention, care.
I don't have any tiny piece of love for her. Let her leave me alone.
Brother, see Sister Kwanwan, she behaves like a small girl all in the name of love. Brother, see, the way you both are doing this love thing is beginning to discourage me. Yes.
We're discouraging you. Am I the one discouraging you to love a man and leave a man? Am I the one who taught you how to use and dump Chigozie Okori?
Baby.
Eh?
Baby.
Ose, who talked?
Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened with my mother.
Who called who, baby? Please, tell her to leave me alone now. Tell her to leave me alone now. What's all this now? Tell her to leave me alone now.
Hey, brother, see, I can't be here and watch you treat a woman like me this way. How would you feel if another man comes in here and treats me the same way? Will you be happy?
If you're as foolish as this one, may you never walk into another man's slaps, but may you walk into his blows.
Hi.
Yes.
So, baby, I'm foolish for loving you.
Yes, you're foolish.
Yes, I'm foolish, in fact. Let me be foolish.
Be foolish.
Let it be a foolish
You
love.
are foolish.
I love you. Let me be foolish, please.
You hear?
Yes,
You
I'm
hear?
foolish. I'm foolish.
And I'm telling you, I'm tired of foolish love.
I'm foolish.
You are foolish. You are foolish.
I'm foolish.
You're very foolish.
I am.
For you to make your mother come and insult me and your friend insult me, you are foolish.
I'm foolish.
And I'm tired of foolish love. Please, foolishly leave me alone. Tell her I don't want now.
If I
leave
leave you, I will die.
It's better you die. It's better you die. It's better you die. Because I don't have anything living for you again. Go.
Baby, please.
Go.
Baby, please.
Go.
If I leave you, I will die.
Go.
Please, I'm not leaving anywhere. Please.
Tell her to go.
Baby,
Did you touch me? Did you not touch me? Go now. Go now.
Baby, please.
Tell her to leave me alone, no. Tell her to leave me alone, no. See, my hand is scratching me, oh. My hand is scratching me, oh. Somebody walking to slap, oh. Tell her to leave me alone. Tell her to leave me alone. What's all this now?
Please.
Tell her to go.
Baby.
Go.
I'm entering my house now. I'm entering my house, please.
You're going in?
I'm going in.
Which house? Which house? Which house? Which house?
Brother, leave her now. Leave her alone.
Mom.
Yeah.
I was wondering.
In the presence of my mother, I love my mother. I want to present this to my Nick. You brought me out of the shadow and made me believe there's a light at the end of the tunnel. You made me believe there is a second chance. I want you to be the mother of my children. I want to love you till the end of time.
That's when.
I want to treat you like a real woman that you are.
Yes.
I want to cherish you. I want to adore you. Please, marry me.
Say yes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you. Come on.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Wait. Hey.
This one you are running like this, like something there for shoe. Is there any problem?
No problem. No problem. I'm just coming from your house. Your wife said you went in this direction.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yes, you can help me. Yes, so you can help me. Mazi, I heard you just bought one keke, brand new keke, and you're looking for somebody to manage it, you know, handle it on hire purchase. I'm telling you, I'm here for you. I'm interested.
You know, this is not what we are going to discuss in this road. You have to come to my house. We sit down and sort it out.
To the house for what, Kwano? For what? I'm here. You know I know how to handle things. You know I'm a neat person, first of all. You know I'm a neat person. So your property is neat with me. There's no problem. Understand me? And one thing I must assure you is this. There is no need for us going beating around the bush. Let me handle this keke.
I had to say that.
Let me handle. Just tell me yes now. Let me start work.
Good day, sir.
Who am I seeing?
Akwanwa, sir.
Shimo. Akwanwa.
Sir?
Shimo. Now you are Akwanwa.
Yes, sir.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Thank you,
You
sir.
look very, very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
I don't even recognize you again. You know when...
Akwanwa. See all this parade on your face. Plenty color. I've been looking for you now. Where have you been? I've missed you.
Please, can we not do this here, please? Mazi, I came with my husband to be. We're going to the house, so if you can come over there.
The house?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my daughter, I will join you there.
Okay, sir.
Good day, sir.
My son, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are highly welcome.
All right.
Akwanwa. 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 Akwanwa.
Odele.
Akwanwa. 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 Mazi. Mazi. What's this now? How can you be supporting party? Wait, you're even going there? You're going there? You're supporting party? How can you say that you're coming to the house for what? My Akwanwa.
Frustration adenyaka yeronwegaka odili imakwana ifineme yeronwegaka odili irapu sugar choro onugbu yeronwegaka odili nwokem yeronwegaka odili obiga joka odili. Is anyone home?
Chimo, sister, is this you? Jerry, the man I told you about.
Okay.
My mother and my younger sister.
Welcome, sir. Good day, my dear. You're welcome. Now you are talking. This is my daughter. Hey, no. You're welcome, you know. Please come and have seat. Yeah.
Come and sit here. Have we sit? For what? Have we sit, my friend? You're not welcome here. You understand? You're not welcome here. What's sister? What's going on?
Madman. Village Gura. What are you doing here?
Yes, I'm here to fight for what is mine. She is mine. Don't you go to church? How can you put asunder to what God has joined together? How can you? Akwanwa is mine. Why would you try and put asunder? For what? Aren't you ashamed of yourself at your age? It can never ever happen. It can't happen, Biko. It can never ever happen. How can you put asunder?
Audrey, you must stop this now. Okay, get out from here. Can you do here?
Before I lay a curse on you, get out of this compound now! She said you should leave.
Akwanwa, are you okay?
Walk into the slap.
You say?
Walk into the slap.
Akwanwa, you say?
Jump into the slap.
Hey, Mr. Man. What is your problem? Huh? Have you seen her before? Do you know me? If you're not mad, then leave this compound.
Wait, Mr. Man. Do I even see you? I don't even know if somebody exists here because it's the only voice I'm hearing. I'm not seeing anybody. Take your time, oh. This is my wife, you understand me? Akwanwa, I know you're under a spell. It's okay, you don't know these things. You understand me? You don't know these things. This is a secret cult member. Yes. Forget money, this is a secret cult member. You see this cap, This is their signature. Yes, Akwanwa, you said you would die for love. You would die for me. It's time to prove it now because I know one thing for sure. It is better for you to die out of love, than to die out of blood money.
Akwanwa, Orderly, get out!
Akwanwa, let us get out!
Get out!
It's something up! Where's this one? I'm waiting for you at the job. I'm waiting for you at the boundary of our village. You won't leave this place. You want to take a cover for me? Try! See! No problem. Onya, leave this village. It's not possible. Onya!
You better leave in Zema. I see the madness already. Nkiru, please now. Give me this thing. Let me go. The customer is in my shop. Let me go and sell. I'll bring your money.
Kanu, I've told you we no longer give out our goods on credit. Bring the customer here.
Hi. This thing. We have settled this thing before. I'm selling goods for you people. The customer is there. If I leave now, he will leave. Please. He's in my guy's shop. See, I'll bring your money. Have I eaten your money before? Your guy know me. He know me very well. I will not eat your money.
Please, so next time bring the customer here. Don't say I did this and that to you now.
I will bring. I want hustling can name. Hustling can work in Ako. Do I have a shop? No. What is you now? Have a shop.
Have you not saved enough money to rent your own shop?
I have not saved enough money. I told your guy he should give me shop. If you give me shop, I'll be marketing for you people. Even plant, generator, anything you people are selling. Transformer, I'll be selling for you people. Couple.
Bring my money.
I will bring it. Cool down. You know my person. My person.
See, no problem. No problem.
Audrey, go home.
Go home. For what?
The way I see that man is very, very rich. He will jail you.
He will jail who?
He will jail you.
He will jail me for what? For what? Is Akwanwa his own? No, is Akwanwa his own? Akwanwa is my property. You understand me? Yes, Akwanwa is my property. And there's no how he can take Akwanwa from me. It's not possible. It's not possible. For what?
Audrey, you are very, very mad.
Me?
Everybody in this village, this community knows how you treated that girl.
That's village people's problem. You understand me? It's village people's problem. My own is that man can never take my Akwanwa after everything we have shared. For what? No, it's not possible now. Let me see how he will pass with his car. Go and tell him that myself and boys, we are waiting for him at the border.
Audrey, you are
mad. Boys! Boys, oh yeah! Boys!
Mama, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Mama, it's because of you. It is just because of you and Uncle here. I will teach you a lesson. You will know that I'm not the Akwanwa you used to know.
Baby, it's okay, it's okay. The madman has come. Baby, you know what I'm capable of doing. But Mama, please, you people should warn that boy. If he comes close to my woman, I will deal with him.
No, please. It will not happen again. I will personally deal with him. I will personally face him. So don't worry.
Yeah, because my daughter, Mom, he has gone. Sorry, my daughter. He sold only land he had and squandered the money. Since then, he had been behaving like a madman. Even begging me to give him the new keke I bought to be using running around the town. And I refused. It's okay, my daughter. Huh? My daughter.
Uncle, it's because of you.
It's okay.
I'm telling you.
It's okay, my daughter.
Just leave that smart and talk about why I'm here.
Let's talk about the living.
Mama, this is Jerry Madubuko from Agwanta. He's the one I told you is interested in me.
Eh? Agwanta guy?
Yes, Mama.
Now, wow. Now, welcome. Oh.
Thank you. No. Thank you, ma'am. No, ma'am. Alright. Oh, Mama, let me do the right thing the right way. Come here. Love it, follow me.
See, I won't take it. I will not take it. See, that guy, I'll still meet him in this village. This village will not enter to a force. It's not possible now.
Brother, if all you have said to me is true, then you are wrong, oh. You are very, very wrong.
How am I wrong? No, how am I wrong? Didn't Akwangwa say she's in love with me? Didn't you hear it? Why would she leave me and follow a man? She doesn't know how the man made his money because he's rich. For what?
Oh, brother, stop saying all these things. You and I know that you left her. You abandoned her. So why are you disturbing her?
Listen, I went to the city to hustle. Hustle so that life will be better for you and I. So don't tell me this nonsense you're saying. What are you talking about? Saying what? See, this village will not enter me, her, and that man. No worry now. Except it's not me that.
Brother, well, brother, you know me. I cannot support evil. And also, I cannot forget how many times I've walked into slap just because I came to you to tell you about the maltreatment that you were giving to Akwama. Brother, you didn't value her. You didn't even treat her well. Every day, slap, punch. Before she will say hello, good morning, you will give her slap. But why are you disturbing her? If she has found a man that value her, leave her alone. And you said they have money. Don't go there and cause trouble. May they no punch your face, oh brother. You know you don't have money. You are a poor man. You are a very broke man.
Did you just talk to me like that? You just talk to me like that. Now walk into this slap.
I will not.
I said walk into this
slap. Walk to me. If you want to slap me, then you have to walk to me this time around.
You say?
Brother, you don't have chin-chin. Why am I walking into a slap? What is inside that hand? Walk into slap as if you have money. Broke man.
You say? You say?
Do you have shishi?
You say?
Am I the cause of your problem?
Walk into this slap.
I will not. You walk to.
Walk into this slap.
You walk to. Brother, don't kill me off.
You walk into this slap. You are leaving this house. See this house? I inherited this house.
Honey, are you okay?
I'm dying.
Hi, Jerry, baby. Are you okay? Just take it easy. 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 Just please.
It's not that good you're here. What triggered this blood pressure? No. What happened to him? In fact, both of you follow me. Just come with me.
Charanya, where
What are you working on?
Yeah, read.
I know it's official, but what I see here is I am crushing on a girl. Wow. You're working at the same time thinking about me.
Yeah, I need your response.
Okay, what do you want me to say?
Just look at it now. Oh yeah, I needed to choose this and this. Have it. Tell me.
Okay. Yes. Okay, what other question?
Okay. Yes.
No, it's my turn to ask. No, let me ask. No, I have to. No, you just ask.
Okay. You still thinking about it? Yeah. Are you done? Let me see now. I don't choose one now. Choose one.
Jerry? Are you okay? Doctor? Jerry, how are you? Why are his eyes closed?
This is another, I have to take it easy. But I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
Daddy? I love you more. I know I love you very, very much. I am willing to give up anything, everything for you to be here with me. In fact, your love is here with me.
Jerry, I'm here. Please remember our plans together. Jerry, the world will mock me. Please stand up, Jerry, please. Please. Jerry. I love you too, Jerry, please. Doctor. Jerry.
Please, nothing will happen to him. Don't worry, nothing will happen to him, okay?
Jerry.
Jerry. What happened? Doctor.
Jerry.
Jerry. Jeremiah. Jerry. Doctor. Jerry.
I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry.
Sorry what? Jerry.
Madam, take it easy.
No.
Just be seated.
No.
Sorry.
Jerry. Let's go.
Hey.
Is the baby coming?
It's coming. Call your mother
Mama, please go to her room, bring the bag and the flask, please. Baby is about to come out. Hold me! Now breathe in. Breathe in. It's okay. Okay. Hey God. Jenny, it's okay. You'll be fine. Just move it. Move your leg. Okay. Mama, follow us. Oh. Hey.
Bring the baby out now.
Mama. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just breathe in before. Okay.
You're pressing my baby.
Just let go. Let's check if you see anything.
Leno love nke m chọtara ya ka ọnwụ gbawara m aka wee narụ m ije love m chimgbatara m ọsọ akụkọ love nke m agwụrụ m ike ije mụ na
Let's go. I am ready. Let's go, okay?
I just wanted him to leave. Can't see his child.
God. Cherry. It's okay. Akoma. All I want right now is for you to make me leave. I want to be here for you and my unborn grandchild. Make me stay more. I beg you. Stop crying. Mother's calling. Mother has been calling. Please, my child. Come. Let us go. It's okay.
Oge m na-eche na-achọtago m ihe m na-achọ ọnwụ wee bụrụ bịa wenara m love nke m ije love emerụ m arụ oge m na-eche na m enwerugo onwe m oge m na-eche n'obi erugo m ala.
A minute, Keji, Yibu baby aqua. A minute, Keji, Napoye fair. A minute, Keji, Yibu baby aqua. A minute, Keji, Napoye fair. Hey, my guy, my own man, Odogu, my own man, Odogu, my own man. Odogu, hey, I said it now. I said it. Anybody that tries to overtake my love, thunder will overtake his life. Odogu. I say it again, no. Anybody that tries to overtake my love, thunder will overtake his life.
Chikom, Odogu, babe no get choice.
Big choice, Kwano.
After rotating, she go stay return back. Don't forget, say she be your first love.
What are we talking? First and last and forever love.
She no get choice at all.
I am her back to sender.
Chikom.
What are we talking about?
Everywhere, because salad.
What are we talking about? That guy lucky, eh? Say no be me do am the toto. I'm telling you. Because by now, where the guy dey 6 feet below. Anyway, the guy get position. I believe say the guy get position. You know? Now only I will PA right now. That guy is PA to the devil. You understand?
Brother.
Sister, what is it?
I'm leaving. No, I cannot stand your lifestyle anymore.
Okay.
No, just see the kind of person you're keeping as a friend. But how did you get to this stage? Yes, I'm leaving and I'm going to stay with Auntie Vero from now on.
Okay. You two, how did you turn into this? How did you turn into this? And why do you have that? No, tell me now. Go out there because it's as if I'm blocking you. Go out there and make this thing useful. Yes. Go and make this thing useful and the water useful so that you can give birth to children. You understand me? Get a man. Let him get you pregnant. Marry you. Give birth to children so I have people that will call me uncle.
I'm available. I'm available.
God will punish your mouth there. No. See the kind of person that you're calling a friend. Hey! Idiot!
You say?
Idiot!
Guy, you're more than walking into my slap. You're more than walking into my slap.
Udo.
Now you, I told you to stop supporting bad thing. Stop supporting bad thing. Now, what has happened? Anybody, that overtakes my love, thunder will overtake his life.
But you come.
Where is the guy now? Where is he now? The guy that took Akwanwa, where is he now? 6 feet below, gone. Where am I now? Hey, 100 feet above. What are we talking about here? Keep supporting bad thing. You can go. Akwanwa is coming back, okay? Yeah. Akwanwa is coming back. Let me see how Akwanwa will not marry me. Go so that there will be space for me and Akwanwa here. You understand me? Go and make your this thing useful. Let me and Akwanwa make our own useful. You understand? Go. Go anywhere you want to go. You understand me? Go. When she comes back, there will be war. Later, there will be peace. Hey, peace in this bedroom. Hey.
What could this useless brother of mine be up to? Akwanwa is coming today. The way he's sounding, it's as if he's going to really hurt her. Should I mind my business? Oh.
You see, we have said all our minds as the elder fathers. And the final decision lies in Akwanwa. Our people said you can only take the horse to the stream. You can't force horse to drink water.
Is it okay? Whatever decision she makes, we will support her. She's an adult. No, please, a minute. My guest, please. I want to talk to my daughter. You may come. I want you to be very careful on whatever decision you want to take. Look, don't make any decision out of pity. It's not a matter of pity now. You know the kind of heart you have. Please.
Mama, I've decided already. I'm going to marry Jerry, even in his death. Jerry was the only one that loved me genuinely, without sentiment. And when this baby grows up, he's going to be my husband. I don't think I'm capable of loving anybody else.
When I love chọtara ya ka ọnwụ gbawara m aka wee nalụ m ijele ọmụmụ chi mgbatara m ọsọ akụkọ lọvụ nke
What's the meaning of this? Who is this?
Oh, don't worry. I'll handle it.
This one doesn't look normal.
It's okay. It hurts me. Don't worry. I will take care of it. I'll take care of him, okay?
A minute. Get the evil baby up. A minute.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
What's the meaning of what? Hey! Agwanwa, you thought I wouldn't know that you are coming back? I have heard the news that you're coming back.
Agwanwa, please let me handle this.
Why would you try to leave me?
Mom, don't worry. I'll handle this.
Why would you try to leave me?
Adili, take this out of the road now. Adili, don't make me wound myself. Do not injure me, Adili.
See,
let me handle this. Young man, please take this thing away. We are going to the city.
Is it?
We don't have time.
Is it? Is it? See, I'm willing to accommodate you. Yes. To accommodate two of you. Not two of you, but two of you. No problem. Let's go back home to our house, to our life, to our love. You understand what I'm saying?
Odili.
You say? Advice, good advice, so.
Odili!
Advice, good advice.
Odili!
Advice, good advice, so.
Move this thing now.
You don't want to advise good advice? You don't want to advise?
Odili!
Advice right thing. As elder, advice right thing. Nah. As elder, advice right. Hey. Shut up. Move straight there. Or I will photocopy what Mama has received now. Move right there, Akwanwa. Or I will photocopy what Mama has received now. Look here. Move right there. Or I photocopy what Mama has. Better move now before I photocopy what happened to Mama to you now. Move it. Move.
Calculate.
3 lampoda, wait, 3 lampoda. 1 8. 1 8 is 9,500. Are you aware?
In fact, count. See your money. Count it.
Wait.
Where is Ebuka? Ebuka, come and collect your money.
Wait, don't confuse me yet.
1 8 now.
1 8 and 3 lampoda, 2 fuse, and 5 years cable rod wire. Just give my money. Let me take it.
It's complete. One name, I told you people that I'm too much. That I'm going to say that as well. You thought I was joking. As I'm talking to you now, I am 4 million naira richer.
It's a lie, forget that.
I will believe it.
You said that as well.
I saw it now. See, by this evening, they are sending my money. I told you. Don't worry, when your guy said to you, come to me, I will give you. Come to daddy. You want a problem?
You know I can stop this work,
Oh, these village people, I don't like when I see their call like this.
You're just trying to chase me out, though.
Hello? What is it, Rita? You are disturbing me. Is it?
Come on, carry something again in my shop. Let me see.
My wife, dancing baby son. It's a lie. I actually didn't want you. You should have started it. Hey! Are you serious? In fact, you people should not worry. See, in the middle coming, I'm coming now. I am coming now. Tell my mom to give you people yam. Yes. I'm coming to the village now. I have made money. Nobody should fear. I'm a rich man now. Hey! Hey, look what? Come and collect your money, yo. I'm going to the village. I'm not going to the village, yo. I'm going to the here. Hey, Buka!
Hey, she's dead.
Jesus! That's my in-law! That's my in-law! Hey! Hey! She's breathing! She's breathing! Hey! She's not breathing now! She's not breathing now! Come! Take that!
I'll wipe you. I'll wipe you now. Move it. Forward. Forward, 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 small now. Forward there. Now. Say it. Now. Me and you, we are going to have our own wedding. Yes. If you move back, I will hit you, you find yourself on the ground. Now. If you, I like the way you are shouting. That's the way you shout when we used to do it. Now, everybody must hear this wedding. Everybody in this village must hear from this top where we are now. Now, repeat after me. If not, if I hit you this thing, you find yourself on the ground. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Okay. Now repeat after me. Akwanwa. Akwanwa. Happily wed.
Happily wed.
Odele. Udojuku. Now, okay. You didn't say it loud. I want everybody to hear, including the Igwe. You understand me? I want him to hear from his palace. Now, say it again. Say it again. I happily wed. All right, we have guests. Okay, guests have come. We have guests. Shut up there. Now. Stop this. Stop. Say it now. Odili, stop it now. We're the vigilante service. If you do it now, you see anyhow. Move. If you move, I move. Surrender, move. Hey, move. Nande. Move him. Nande. Move him. Keep quiet. Move. Hey, move him. Nande. Move. Okode. Move. Do it now, you say. Move. Okode, you're my guy now. Move. Hey, move. Okode, keep quiet. Move. Move him. Move. Nande. Move. Nande, you're my guy now. Move. Okode. Move. It's okay. Sorry, Sister. Sorry. Let's go. Move, Nande. Keep quiet. Move. Nande, calm down. Move. Keep quiet. Okode, if you do it, you say move. Keep quiet. Move. Okode, I don't want you. I was your life. Move. See, I said move. Okode, I used to want you. Keep quiet. Okode, hey, you reach here now. Hey, move you now. They move. Okode, I go blow you now.
Frustration adenyaka. Yelo wegaka odele. Imakwani fineme. Yelo wegaka odele. Irapu sugar choro onugbu aga. Yelo wegaka odele. Odele wokem. Yelo wegaka odele. Obiga joka odele. Asimo idige nazo gibodele. Imadi fineme ijikwanya game onye kuzilu gibodele. Efine nwere oduchi na chụrụ ya iji werekwa ya nwayọọ ka ofe rọrọ ala zuo elu gị nni ihe onye metara ya ka ọ na-ebuo jiri ya nwayọọ gị bụ ọdịlị frustration adịghị aka nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ijide nwa mmadụ etigbu onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ọ dịkwa mma nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ọkwa maka echi ka nji ekwu nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị agwa ntị ma ọnụ rọ egburu isi ntị esoro ya wee daruo anị ọ dịlị afụbeghị m onye bụ shuga n'ọnụ na-akata akwụkwọ onugbu si ka ọ tajuo afọ ọ dịlị ọ ga-efokwa gị n'anya ọ dịlị yo marụkwa ihe ị na-eme gị bụ ọ dịlị ijiji anụ rọ ndụmọdụ na-eso ozu ala ka ị ghara ibe m makwara mgbe ọ ga-adị too late ọ dịlị yo ọ dịlị yo ọ dịlị yo ọ dịlị frustration adịghị aka nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ị ghara ibe m makwara nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ị na-afọ eme ọ na-asọ gị ọ nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị o nwerekwa ihe ji wickedness nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị obi gị ajọ ka ọ dịlị